Ready for that viral glass skin glow? The Anua 3-Step Glass Skin Beginner Set is your secret weapon. This incredible Korean skincare routine makes achieving visibly radiant, smooth skin easier than ever, even for beginners. Start with the Anua Deep Cleansing Oil, a powerful yet gentle deep pore cleanser that effortlessly removes makeup residue and sebum without clogging pores, making your double cleansing routine a dream. Next, refresh your complexion with the Heartleaf Gentle Foaming Wash, which creates a delicate foam perfect for all skin types, especially deep cleansing, oily, and combination skin. The viral TXA serum follows, packed with niacinamide, TXA, and arbutin to enhance clarity, balance, and naturally brighten your complexion for an undeniable, even tone. What makes this set truly special is its holistic approach to transforming your skin with expertly formulated ingredients, delivering real results. Don't wait to discover your best skin yet. Click the Amazon link in the description to grab your Anua 3-Step Glass Skin Set today. Experience the hype and unlock your most radiant, dewy complexion with this essential beginner routine.